Thank you very much, couples. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for our competing couples in the final round of Grade A Latin. And also, a warm round of applause for the members of the Board of Adjudicators. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Kim Young-Jin from Malaysia, Mr. from Australia, Mr. Michael Lim from Singapore. Along back we have Ms. Angelo Yangoy, Mr. Lolo Inedon. And also we have Ms. Faith Salvador, Ms. Felita Adora, Ms. Gloria Alcala, Ms. Johnny Mercado from the Philippines, and the chair of the Board of Adjudicators from the Netherlands, Mr. Ron Ward. So ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for the members of the Board of Adjudicators.
Early bird!
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we request Mr. Ronnie Stever to a very important announcement.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Ayan na! Nasaan? Ayaw na.
Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga competition natin. I would like to thank sa mga sumusuporta sa mga Asian Games, mga yung nag-represent. Thank you very much. Sa mga pumunta dito.
Hindi na alam eh. Hindi na alam eh. Siyempre dahil.
Thank you sa Dance Board. Wala ito, hindi kami makikilala sa Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Na kami yung nag-represent sa country natin. Tinatawag mo yung partner mo. Siya yung nilalaga na. Sabi ka? Magiging asawa mo kung papayag siya. I love you.
Congratulations to Ronnie and Chanda. All right. Ronnie and Chanda, congratulations. You're now engaged, as they say. That's one step away from marriage. Wow. And Ronnie and Chanda, remember this. Marriage is not a word, it is a sentence. It is a life sentence. I'm just kidding. And now, ladies and gentlemen, time for us to move on.